In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into the Rednote app on your iPhone. It's a really simple process, so let's dive right in. First, find the Rednote app on your home screen. Once you have located your Rednote app, tap on it. You will see the option Me after opening the Rednote app. Tap on it. Here you will be seeing Login this account, login methods. You will be seeing many options. Simply tap on Login and tap your mobile number and tap Login. You will be sent verification code. After you get your verification code, you will be logged into your account. And that's it, you have now logged into your Rednote on your iPhone, ready to start creating and managing your notes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next videos.